Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will discuss the topic direction cosine of a vector in two-dimensional geometry and three-dimensional vector. Two-dimensional vector and three-dimensional vector. So, what is the direction cosine of a vector in 2D? First, we discuss in how we find or what is the concept behind the direction cosine of a vector in 2D. After that, after discussion of two-dimensional vector, then we discuss three-dimensional vector. What is the direction cosine of three-dimensional vector? Okay, so let P be a point, any point, P be any point in the xy plane. तो P एक पॉइंट है प्लेन के ऊपर. 2D we discuss in two dimensional, तो we take plane not space. Let OP vector is equal to R vector. We say the magnitude of OP vector is small r. Be a vector which makes angles alpha beta with positive direction of x-axis. What is the meaning of positive direction of x-axis? Means ये मेरा x-axis का एक्स एक्सिस है, उसका पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन मतलब ओरिजिन से आगे. तो इसके साथ जितना एंगल बनाएगा वो वेक्टर, ओके, वो वेक्टर इसके साथ इस ओ एक्स के साथ जितना एंगल बनाएगा उसको बोलते हैं पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस. अगेन पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ वाई एक्सिस. तो वाई एक्सिस क्या है? ये मेरा है वाई एक्सिस. वाई एक्सिस इस वेक्टर के साथ कितना एंगल बना रहा है? वाई एक्सिस का पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ये है, ये इस वेक्टर के साथ कितना एंगल बना रहा है, ये बीटा एंगल बना रहा है, तो इसको बोलते हैं पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन. मैक्स एंगल अल्फा बीटा विथ पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस रेस्पेक्टिवली. देन व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन कोसाइन? डायरेक्शन कोसाइन इज द in the term direction cosine. So cosine means it is angle whose ratio from cosine. That means then these angles alpha and beta are called direction angle, and the direction cosine, the cos value of this angle is called direction cosine in two-dimensional vectors or three. Similarly, we discuss about three-dimensional vector, or this similar concept we discuss in two-dimensional geometry or three-dimensional geometry. So everyone understand what is the direction cosine? Direction cosine is nothing but an angle makes with positive direction of x-axis with OP vector. इस वेक्टर के साथ इस OX पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन कितना एंगल बना रहा है? सपोज 30 डिग्री बना रहा है, उसका कॉस वैल्यू. सपोज ये एंगल मेरा 30 डिग्री है, सपोज ये वेक्टर, ये मेरा एक्सिस है, ये वेक्टर 30 डिग्री एंगल बना रहा है. तो 30 डिग्री बना रहा है तो उसका कॉस वैल्यू cos 30 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 3/2 इज योर L, यानी डायरेक्शन कोसाइन ऑफ विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स एक्सिस. सिमिलरली सपोज ये एंगल कितना बना रहा है? 60. सो cos 60 डिग्री इज अनदर cos 60 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 1/2. ओके, 1/2. दिस इज योर M. गॉट इट? तो एंगल अल्फा बीटा आर कॉल्ड डायरेक्शन एंगल. डायरेक्शन कोसाइन, this is shortly represent or shortly written as DCS. D dot C dot S. DCS means direction cosine of these angles are denoted as L, or L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta. तामाने से OX पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन रे वेक्टर टी केते डिग्री एंगल तैयारी करूची, से एंगल रो cos वैल्यू नहीं गले जोंटा हबो सेटा को करती डायरेक्शन कोसाइन. आउ किछ नै एतिकी बात. M cos बीटा यानी y एक्सिस, y रो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन सहित ओ p वेक्टर केते डिग्री कोण करूची तार cos वैल्यू को कहउचंती डायरेक्शन कोसाइन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x एक्सिस. तो how we discuss in mathematically. Suppose in this triangle, what is the relation between this L and M? We got in. Let in triangle OAP, in this triangle, in this not only triangle, this in this right angle triangle, in this right angle triangle, we get cos alpha is equal to B by H. We know in high school mathematics, trigonometry, cos theta is equal to base divided by hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. So here base is equal to OA and hypotenuse is any corner is OP. In this in here we represent the magnitude of this length. OA vector, not a vector. OA is the magnitude and OP is not a vector here. OP is magnitude is written. So OA vector, OA magnitude is equal to X and OP vector magnitude will represent shortly R. So what is the cos alpha is equal to X by R, and X is equal to R by R into cos alpha. So what is the cos alpha? Cos alpha equal to X by R, and this is shortly written as L. This direction cosines are written as L and M, denoted as LM for 2D. Okay. Next, in another here in the triangle OBP, in the triangle OBP, cos beta is equal to OB divided by OP is equal to, what is OB? OB is your B and this is your x एक्सिस था, ये x एक्सिस था और ये आपका y एक्सिस था. तो this vector, this length is y and this length is r, because this is OP vector था. तो cos beta is equal to B by hypotenuse R. So y is equal to R into cos beta. Cos beta is equal to y by R. This is written as letter M. We say here we written as LM. Okay. Now x is equal to L into R. Here x is equal to L into R. We multiply here. We multiply these two. Again M is equal to, y is equal to M into R. So it written here x is equal to L R and y is equal to M into R. Okay. Now the numbers LR and MR are proportional to DCS. ये DCS को proportional करती. Okay. We get a relation between L and M. This is the most important concept. What is the relation between L and M? L और M मध्य कौन relation अच्छी को तुमको कली L square कर देली या को square कर देली. We know that what is L? L is equal to x by r. So x square by r square. M is equal to what? M equal to y by r. Y square by r square. Now taking LCM, LCM is equal to r square and this x square plus y square. In the triangle we get in the diagram we get x square plus y square equal to r square. This is equal to r square by r square equal to 1. So this is most important result. L square plus m square equal to 1 in always. This is true for both 2D and 3D. L square plus m square equal to 1. What is L? L is the direction cosine along x-axis. M is what? Direction cosine along y-axis. Okay. This is the best important concept behind the vector geometry. Again we discuss direction cosine in 3 dimensions. Similarly we discuss in 3-dimensional geometry P be a point. This is a vector. Suppose P be a point whose coordinate is x comma y comma z. Okay. So this angle y axis, this angle x axis. Okay. This is the vector or P vector, or this is your z axis. So this angle is beta, this angle is alpha, this angle is gamma. Okay. So here similarly, same as two-dimensional vector geometry, vector L is equal to cos alpha, which is equal to x by r. What is r? Here r is equal to, here r vector is equal to xik plus yjk plus zkk, and r is equal to magnitude of this vector. So r x square plus y square plus z square root over. This is your x in three-dimensional geometry. So, and m is equal to cos beta, same as 2d y by r. And another number we denote as n is equal to cos gamma. So cos gamma, gamma is an angle. Gamma is an angle between positive direction of z axis OZ and the vector OP. Gamma is an angle between OZ in the positive direction of z axis and OP vector. Okay, this vector is your magnitude is r. Okay, so n is equal to, we write z by r. So that is equal to, here relation between them is equal to this L M N written as this are called DCS of OP vector in space. This LMN are called DCS of OP vector in space. But in first case we discuss in two dimension, in a plane, how in geometrically. So what is the relation behind them? So L square plus M square plus N square is equal to x by L is x by r, x square by r square, plus what is y by r is m y square by r square, z n is z square by r square. Then we get LCM is r square x square plus y square plus z square. So what is x square plus y square plus z square? This is equal to r square. Now r square by r square equal to 1. R square by r square equal to 1. So we get L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. This is the very important result. We use this result, find some problems and solve some problem. It will be help in also three-dimensional geometry. The most important concept, DCS of a vector and DRS of a vector. Next we discuss DRS. So what is DRS of a vector? Thank you.